Hey, if you've been sick of late or know someone who is, apparently you're not alone. Experts say following the holidays, virus activity is on the uptick here in our state. NBC Connect's Matt Austin joins us live from Hartford with what doctors are seeing. Matt.
Yeah, so Kevin, doctors say they are seeing more people arriving here at Hartford Healthcare who have a respiratory virus. And while it's gotten colder here recently, a lot colder, a warmer fall meant a delayed start to what some say is this season of being sick. People are noticing more folks getting sick as they gathered and traveled for the recent holidays.
I mean, just typical, seasonal stuff, travel. My family just traveled for Christmas, so getting on a plane, you always notice everyone coughing and all that kind of stuff.
This map from the CDC shows states shaded a darker color with more COVID detected in wastewater. In Connecticut, it's now reached high levels. And check out the data from the Department of Public Health. Those lines tracking COVID, flu, and RSV cases in hospital ERs have been increasing the past few weeks, as is typical this time of the year after the holidays.
As we know in the community, a lot of people are not testing, but if you're sick enough to get to the hospital, then that in itself is the test. And so when we start seeing surges of numbers, then we know that obviously it is spreading, it's widespread within the community.
So far this season, there have been more than 200 COVID-related deaths in the state. More than half are age 80 and up, with many in that age bracket not up to date on vaccination.
Particularly if you are in one of the oldest decades of life, I strongly recommend that you get both a COVID shot and a flu shot, because that's what's going to be your best chance at being protected from all of these viruses.
Experts say there is still time to get vaccinated, especially with a delayed start to the flu season. You're also urged to get tested if you're sick and potentially mask up in certain areas, along with other precautions.
I wash my hands and do whatever I have to do.
Now, experts say even if you have what you think is the common cold, to try to avoid being around others because it could end up being a lot more harmful to them. Public health leaders also suggest checking out vaccine.gov for more information about shots. We're live tonight in Hartford. Matt Austin, NBC Connecticut News. Kevin, back to you.